So today we're going to be going on a little journey. I'm going to be bringing all of you along with me to get my hair done. As you can see, it's very faded and all of my roots are grown out. So we're going to fix that today by going to my local salon. I go to Rudy's salon here in Arizona. I think they used to be called Bishop's before this, but yes. And I also brought a book with me that I borrowed from my friend because it's going to be a very long process. I think it took us like 8 hours to get all of this done. Here I am talking to my hairstylist, Kitana. She's awesome. I love her. And I am signing some waivers, kind of just confirming like what we're doing today, which is dyeing my hair and all the different colors and the bleaching and all that jazz. So yeah, gotta get it on paper, I guess. And we're just kind of catching up because it's been a while since I last saw Kitana, I think like back in November. But here we are doing like little TikTok transition to do the before and after. And we also took some pictures to show Kitana's magical hair powers. So we start off by sectioning off all of the hairs because it makes it a little bit easier because we have to do it in layers, and I'll show you later like what I mean by doing it in layers. Kitana's doing a great job, and now that I'm looking at this, I really like how my hair is kind of like into little buns. I think it's really cute. So now we're all sectioned off, and we started off by doing the roots. We bleached it, and then we used color remover to get rid of all of that like very faded green color. And here is how it turned out because you need like a blank base to start off with. These are all the colors that we use. These are Pulp Riot. I'm not sure if they are like a professional hair salon brand, but yeah, that's the color that we used on my hair. And again, we are sectioning it off because that's what you gotta do. So here's what I mean by all the layers. As you can see, the first layer was already done, but Kitana is sectioning off the second layer, and she has to do it like each color, each piece. So she's sectioning off the little pieces because we're kind of doing like vertical stripes for the bangs. And so she started off with the first color, and then she's gonna do the next one, the next one, the next one. And so yeah, other than like doing the little stripes, she also has to do it by layer. It's important to do layers instead of just like full on grabbing a bunch of hair, just in case like you miss any spots. So that's why we sectioned it off, even for the bleaching earlier, and now with putting on the color, it's important to do that. Just so, you know, make sure get every single little bit of hair that you can possibly get. Because back when I would do my hair on my own at home and I didn't have like somebody to help me, it was really hard because, you know, it's hard to see on the back. The back especially was really, really tough, like bleaching. And I would always have these like spots of hair that was still my natural hair color, which is black. And it would look kind of odd because, you know, you want to have like a seamless? Is that the word? Seamless? I'm not sure what the word is. But you want it to all be the color you want it to be and not have these random spots. So it's very important to do the different layers and to section off all of the hair. So it takes a lot of time, a lot of patience to get your hair done. And so that's why ever since I got my full-time job, I'm able to afford to get my hair done. So that's why I opted to go to a salon and to get it done by a professional instead of doing it by myself at home. Because it's really not easy. These hairstylists have a lot of training and time, and they went to school for this. So, you know, don't underestimate hairstylists. They put in a lot of love and work into hair. And right now we're doing the long strips. So for those who don't know, I usually do like tomboyish side tails haircut. And for the long strips, I thought it would be a good idea to do a sort of rainbow ombre so that it wouldn't blend in with the bangs and the rest of the hair, and it kind of stands out. And I really, really love how it turned out. You will see later, but the ombre effect looks so cool. And just like with the bangs and with the rest of the hair, Katana also had to do this in layers, so props to her for having the patience to do this, because I honestly personally could not have been able to do this myself. But yeah, like for each layer I had to do like each individual color again and again and again. So the pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, blue, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then the next layer again, pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then like blending it all together. So thank you, Katana, for all your hard work. Seriously, thank you so much. But yeah, we're just kind of hanging out, being goofy, silly, quirky. But yeah, the getting your hair done, it's a lot of sitting and just chilling and hanging out. So that's why I brought my book. Also, before getting your hair done, make sure you have a bite to eat, because I think I woke up late, or I was rushing or something, so I got kind of hungry about halfway through. So make sure you bring a snack with you, or like have breakfast before you go in to get your hair done. It's really important. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So now we did the bangs and the long sides, and so we're doing the rest of the hair. At this point, I actually didn't realize that Katana was doing like a hidden rainbow on the back, but I was really surprised and happy with it. But man, I can't wait to show y'all the completed hair. But the process, it's the journey that is important. So we have to pull through and fight through this together. Yay. And so here is how the whole head turned out. As you can see, that rainbow looks really, really cool. And yay. So we had to let it process, stay in the hair. I think this took like 20-30 minutes. We let it stay on there so the hair can really just soak it all up. So good thing I brought my book, and I ended up finishing reading it. I do recommend this book. It's pretty, I enjoyed this book quite a lot. It gave me a lot of feels, so if you would like to feel things, I recommend this book a lot. And here is us washing out all of that stuff in the hair. We also did this earlier with the bleach and the color remover, but it was really relaxing. It felt like I was at a spa, and yes. So very carefully having to get all of the color out, not the color, getting all that saran wrap thingy. Yeah, that's what it was. I don't think it's actual saran wrap. I think it's some hair thing that they use that looks like saran wrap to section off all of the hair. But oh yeah, look at me being all comfy. Actually, I kind of wish I was back there getting my hair washed. Woo! It was a good feeling. Oh man. Look at her having a great time. Ooh. Okay, time to do a little trim. So yeah, just kind of trimming the hair. And then we had to blow dry it all off before we could actually style the hair. The hair has to be dry before you can use, because we use a hair straightener to do the little flips and curls that my hair, that I like to have on my hair. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now, is using a hair straightener. So we don't use a curler, we use a hair straightener to get all of those little curls. Basically just like straighten and then whoop at the bottom to get that little whoop, like as you can see that Katana is doing right now. So we do that pretty much for the whole head, so that it adds, I feel like it adds like some volume to it, because my hair is pretty straight and I like how it makes it really poofy and airy and sort of like little tentacles. I remember someone saying that when I posted on Instagram. They said my hair looks like little tendrils, little tentacles, and I like that. It's very cute and I like it a lot. I'm very happy, but we're going to do the reveal. Oh my gosh, I was over the moon when I saw the whole thing together, because at the last part I wanted to be surprised by it all styled and dried and everything, and with the jacket, the AC/DC rag cybr.grl collection, it all came together so well. And oh man, I'm just so happy. So thank you so much, Katana. I really appreciate you so much and all your hard work and love that you put into my hair. I appreciate you, so thank you. And so here it is, all around 360 with that hidden rainbow and the little curls. And here it is out in like natural sunlight. Wow, all the colors are so bright. Oh man, it's so pretty. Bye-bye. So here I am the next day back home. I wanted to put a full Decora look, and also we were like filming something, and the people that we were filming with, we had a hairstylist, and the hairstylist thought that I was wearing a wig. But yeah, that is the whole look. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this journey. But yeah, see y'all in the next vid. Bye bye.